So now that we've proven the product law of logs, let's prove the quotient law of logs, which is quite similar, except in this case we're taking the quotient of two things inside of a log, and turns out we can separate those two things by the subtraction of them individually into different logs, namely the log base b of x divided by y equals the log base b of x minus the log base b of y. But can we prove it? Well, of course we can. Let's do it. Let's set m equal to the log base b of x, and let's set n equal to the log base b of y. Very similar to our proof of the product law, let's keep in mind the exponential equivalent of these two statements. This says that b to the m equals x. And this one says that b to the n equals y. Okay, so like before, but slightly different, let's take the quotient of x and y. So x divided by y implies that b to the m divided by b to the n equals b to the m minus n. And so we can say that x divided by y equals b to the m minus n. Okay, so like before, let's take the log of both sides, since we are particularly interested in the log of x divided by y. So the log base b of x divided by y equals the log base b of b to the m minus n. Recall that the definition of the log says that, well, b to what power equals b to the m minus n. Well, of course, the only logical answer would be m minus n power. So we can simplify the right side of this equation and bring down the left and say that the log base b of x divided by y is equal to m minus n. Now, recall what we established m and n to be. M is the log base b of x, and n is the log base b of y. So we can resubstitute back in to this equation and say that the log base b of x divided by y is equal to the log base b of x minus the log base b of y. And so we have proven the quotient law of logarithms.